Hey there humans! So I decided to create this thing that's behind me, which I will show you in the video. I love fairy lights, and some of my friends are going to cuss me because they don't agree with fairy lights outside of Christmas, but I love fairy lights in general, kind of thing. If the whole place could be lit up, it'd be lit. So yeah, I got the lights from Urban Outfitters while scrolling, doing amongst other home improvements that I was doing. Yeah, I was just scrolling for Urban Outfitters and they just so happened to be on offer, so I got them from them. So I got these, the command hooks, the clear ones. I didn't go to the shop to buy them, I bought them from Amazon, good old Amazon. So they were a value pack, and a value pack of 2, so you get, what did you get? You get 40, and I have 2 with, which I don't know what I'm going to do, so maybe the house will be lit, don't know. I've just finished the wall, ta-da! The lights curtain, and yeah, it's looking really good. I'm actually really happy with it. But I think here, wait, I'm putting in the wrong direction. Here and on the other end, in that corner, I'm going to put 2 more little tabs, do another night clip, and I can show you what it looks like at night with the different settings. But I'm pleased, even though I almost fell, and yeah, it pretty much, yeah, I like it. I'm still kind of weary about these tab things because I'm not so sure how long they're gonna stay up there and last, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I've got.